Hello kids and welcome back to another English class. In the lesson of this week, we are going to work with your guided book and we are going to work here on page 34. Okay, I am going to make a sum up. We're going to work on page 34. Again, page 34, 3 and 4. And today we're going to start with something that is related to, and it's called communication. Okay, so let's talk about vacation. Okay, we're going to talk about our vacation. So what we're going to do here, this is related to abilities. Okay, you're going to use your listening abilities, and this is related to some phrases, some words that are going to be very useful for you to know if, I don't know, maybe one day you travel to another country and you have to use or you have to ask, sorry, the English language, and it's referring to that, okay, to the place that you traveled. So we're going to start here with exercise number 1 that says listen and complete the dialogues with the words in the box. Okay, then listen again and check. Here we have some blank spaces, okay, blank spaces that don't have any words, and you're going to use these kind of words that you have here in the box. Okay, in dialogue number 1 you're going to try to put beautiful, delicious, good and great, of course according to what you hear. And in dialogue number 2 you have the words awful, friendly, nice and terrible, of course with the listening, with the audio. Okay, so now you're going to listen. I am going to play it 2 times in order that you can listen in a better form. Okay,
Unit 3, Communication. Talking about vacations. Page 34. Exercise 1. 1.
How was your vacation in Hawaii?
It was awesome.
What was the weather like?
It was beautiful. It was hot and sunny.
Was the food good?
Yes, it was delicious.
What was your hotel like?
It was great. It had a big swimming pool. 2. How was your vacation in New York?
It was terrible.
What was the weather like?
It was awful. It rained every day.
Were the people nice?
Yes, they were. They were very friendly.
What was the hotel food like?
It was disgusting. Gross.
okay, boys and girls, now that you already listened, I said you that I am going to play it 2 times, but you have the video, so you can rewind this video and listen it again. Okay, so of course that if you pay attention here, you have to use one of these 4 words in each number, and then one of these 4 words in each number. In classes, in online classes, we're going to check this. We're going to analyze a little bit more, okay? Now I am going to continue with this box that is learn it and use it, okay? This in Spanish would be like apréndelo, úsalo. Here says you ask, you answer, tú preguntas, tú respondes. Here we have some structures of questions that are like a model, and you change only a few words and it's going to be in different kind of questions. Okay, so here you have, how was your vacation in, I don't know, for example, in China? How was your vacation in Canada? How was your vacation in Concepcion, Chile? Could be that, I don't know. How was your vacation in the United States? Okay, and this is referring to how was your trip. Okay, in Spanish will be like, ¿cómo estuvieron tus vacaciones? And the probable answer could be, it was great. How, for example, how was your vacation in the United States? It was great. They were very funny. Oh, I don't know. It was great. I have a lot of fun moments. Or also you can use, it was awesome. Or here you have 4 options. It was okay. Or it was terrible. I don't know, because the weather was terrible. It rained the whole vacation. Then in the second question we have, what was the weather like? Okay, and this is related to your vocabulary in this new unit. And you have 5 options. It was beautiful, it was amazing, it was great, it was okay, or it was miserable. Because all my vacation it snowed the whole entire moment. For that reason, it was miserable. Then we have, was the food good? Was the food good? Yes, it was. It was delicious. Or no, it wasn't. It was horrible, or it was disgusting. Okay, the word disgusting is asqueroso. Okay, then we have another question. What was your hotel like? Okay, the place that you stayed. It was great. It could be it was awesome, or it was okay, it was terrible, or it was awful. And finally, we have, were the people friendly? Okay, the word friendly is in Spanish amistoso. Yes, they were. They were very nice. Or no, they weren't. They were unfriendly. Okay, unfriendly is the opposite of friendly. Okay, amistoso, unfriendly, no amistoso. Okay, I hope that you understand each phrase and each answer, or each question and each answer. Now we're going to focus here on this exercise, that is exercise number 2. What we're going to do, we're going to listen to conversations, and we're going to complete the sentences, of course, with the missing words. Here we have blank spaces, okay? Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And of course, that in classes we're going to check this exercise. So I am going to play the audio in order that you can hear and you can complete the exercise.
Unit 3, Communication. Talking about vacations. Page 34, Exercise 2. A.
Hi, Gemma. How was your vacation in Mexico?
It was amazing.
What was the weather like?
It was great, but it was very hot.
Was the food good?
Yes, it was delicious.
B.
Hello, Mrs. Alonso. How was your vacation in Scotland?
It was terrible.
What was the weather like?
It was miserable. It was cold and windy.
What were the people like?
They weren't nice.
Okay, now that we already work with this part of communication, remember that the exercise of pair works, we're not going to do that. And now we are going to go to page W16, okay, page W16, and we're going to work on exercise number 1 and number 2. Remember that we're going to check this exercise in online classes, okay? So I am going to give you only the instruction, and it's related to the vocabulary, and only from that, okay? It's only related to the vocabulary. Remember that the vocabulary is related to the weather. Okay, in exercise number 1, what do you have to do? You have to reorder the letters to form weather words and complete the sentences. Let's see the example. It was, and here you have TOH. What is the weather word? Hot. And you have NUYSN. What is the word? Sunny. Yesterday. And that's it. You have to do the same for number 1, number 2, and number 6. Okay. And in exercise number 2, you're going to look the weather report and you're going to complete the sentences, okay? This is the weather report that says world weather. And here you have Rio de Janeiro, San Francisco, Toronto, London, Hong Kong, and Paris. Let's see the example. Says in Rio, it is, and you pay attention to the temperature, okay? Here the temperature says 39 degrees Celsius, so it is hot. And here they have a clue for you. They have the initial letter. So in Rio, it's hot. The temperature is 39 degrees Celsius, and it is, and you pay attention to this part, okay? And it is cloudy, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is pay attention to the temperature, and then you have to pay attention to the draw, okay, or to the picture. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you understand and see you in online classes. Take care. Bye bye.